coming in.
Hey, what's up everybody? Joe here, and in this video I'm going to talk about my current main source of passive income that earns me about an extra $20,000 a year. Now this is passive income, so I don't really work that hard each month to keep this income coming each month. And this is a passive income stream that anyone can tap into too. And I would definitely recommend it because it's gonna improve your cash flow, help you build wealth quicker, and it's gonna give you a passive income stream for retirement too. Now, it is passive income, so I don't work too much for it right now, but like most passive income streams, a lot of the work or most of the work and time goes into it up front before you even generate any income. And that is the case for this passive income stream too, which is rental income from real estate. Now, before you click off and you're like, real estate, that's way out of my league, that's way down the line, I'm not even thinking about real estate right now. Well, change that mindset because real estate is definitely a key to retirement. You don't want to be paying for your housing forever. You want to eventually own your home so that you can have that as an asset instead of a liability. So you definitely want to think about owning your home or owning some real estate for at least yourself eventually down the line as a retirement plan and also as a wealth building plan. And turning it into an income stream or an income property can give you a source of passive income. I gotta give credit to my sister and brother-in-law who did this first, and I kind of saw the power of it through them and I followed them and copied them. But I started doing this about 6 or 7 years ago when I first bought my first real estate property, which was a 2-bedroom condo, and I started renting out the spare bedroom. And I saw how powerful that was because now I had someone paying for half of my mortgage. It was helping my cash flow, it was helping me build wealth quicker, and it actually helped me buy a home down the line too, because I was able to then buy a home with a separate basement suite. And this basement suite I rent out for about $1,800 a month, so that's just about $20,000 a year. And again, I don't really do that much to keep the income coming, but like I mentioned earlier, a lot of the work goes up front. So it took me time to get a full-time job, get some income coming in, some steady income. I had to save my money, I had to invest my money, investing in the stock market to help build my investment in my portfolio quicker. Having help from parents helped, but eventually I was able to talk to a bank and get approved for a mortgage and buy that 2-bedroom condo. And then down the line, after about 3 years, I sold that condo after I had been renting out the spare bedroom. And then about 2 or 3 years ago, I bought a house, and now I'm renting out the basement suite, as I mentioned, for about $1,800 a month. Not only did I have to save my money and build that wealth and do all the work that it took to buy the condo and then eventually buy the house, I also had to find good tenants. So I had to list the space up for rent, I had to show viewings to possible tenants, receive applications, call referrals, sign contracts, receive deposits. So a lot of work went into this passive income stream, but now that I have it, now I have a 1-year lease with the tenants, and now I'm earning about $1,800 a month from this income stream, this rental income. And for the most part, I don't really have to work as much as I did to get there. A lot of times, or some months, I don't do anything at all. Of course, if the tenants need anything, any repairs or anything like that, I do have to help them out with that. And I also, if the tenants end up leaving, I have to do the whole process of finding new tenants. Other than that, the income is pretty passive and I would definitely recommend it. Anyone who wants to build wealth should definitely be thinking about real estate. I think I read that 90% of millionaires own real estate one way or another. So you definitely want to think about owning real estate. Again, you eventually want to own your home as a retirement plan as well, so that your home can be an asset, not a liability. And as we're talking about in this video, turning your real estate into rental income and having a rental income property is gonna give you passive income. It's gonna improve your cash flow, help you build wealth quicker, and down the line, when you have paid off your home, you still have that income as a passive income for retirement. So I would definitely recommend it. That's my current main source of passive income right now. I know that it's not easy to achieve, but I would definitely put it on your radar. That's what I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. I'm gonna wrap this one up. So as always, I will wish you a good day, a good night, and I will see you next time. All right, until then, cheers.
I'm coming in.